bitches can't tell me nothing. Period. Okay. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing the bald cap method. I personally have never, ever done this. I've never actually set a wig to my head. Like anytime I've ever done any type of wig anything, I've just slapped it on my head and called it a day. So I have just been watching a ton of videos. You know, I always watch hair videos on Instagram and things like that, and I'm always intrigued. So I was like, girl, give it a try it out, see how it goes. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you're interested in how, I'm just pretty much going to be talking through it and trying to figure it out because it's my first time. So if that is something you're interested in watching, probably me fail, then please keep on watching. If you're new, my name is Lonyea. Welcome to my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and let's see how it goes. So let me tell you that I've had all of this stuff for forever, okay? I've had the Got To Be Glue freeze spray stuff. I have a hot comb. I have some duckbill clips. I have the wig, which I've had for about a year. And then I have the Gorilla Snot. I have a blow dryer. And I also bought, a while ago, this lace wig bond daily hold. I've never tried any of this, so I'm definitely interested to see how it goes. So I just have my hair braided to the back. My mom did that. And I have my spandex cap. So let's see. I'm kind of nervous. I'm hoping that I can do it right. So I know you're supposed to pull it all the way down like this. Okay? And then you're supposed to cut is my head too big for this spandex cap or what? Then you're supposed to cut a hole by your ear and pull your ear out, right? Am I doing this right or no? Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. How many wig caps y'all be buying? Because if y'all got all these different wigs and y'all be doing this all the time, dog. Oops, I think I just put a run in my cap. Okay, so now I'm supposed to spray the stuff on my head and then blow dry it and on cool setting. Look at how my brows look from being pulled. Okay, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Okay, I don't know if it's enough glue, of this stuff, so maybe I'll spray some more. Okay, my thing is, I don't know if it's right. Do I apply more? How do I know if this is the right way. Like, how y'all be knowing? I'm so freaking confused. Like, look, do I need more over here? Like, it's really no longer sticky, but like, oh, okay, so it's this right here. So maybe I'll spray a little bit. I don't fucking know. Where's Yanni when you need her? You're supposed to cut this excess stuff, right? Or maybe I should do the foundation first. Do you do the foundation first, or do you do... Y'all can tell I don't do hair, okay? Do you do the foundation first, or do you do... I think I'm going to do the foundation first because I don't know. Okay, so I heard you're supposed to use a foundation a little lighter than your skin tone. So I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect. And put this... Like, y'all, I don't even think this even matters. Because I'm not no professional. And I don't do this. But I don't think it matters. Like, honestly, like, I think my stuff just gonna look pop either way. But I don't know, I might surprise myself, and this might be the best that's ever happened. The best wig lay. I think I'm set. I think I'm ripped to go. I just hate that my braids are gonna be so dirty. Like, from this glue, like, I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know. Okay. Should I take scissors? Like, what do you do with all of this? Or do you just tuck it? And I guess I'm gonna have to glue that down a little more because okay, so the last girl that I watched, she sprayed more glue to tuck the edges. I was watching a makeup and hair video last night, and that's where I got this idea to do this crazy shit. Luckily, I've already had everything, but still, once again, crazy shit on. Like, is this okay, like, to, like, just leave it like this? Cause, like, okay, let's see. Don't be dripping down on my brows, bruh. Oh, it got on my brow. Oh, it got on my brow. Oh! Shit! Okay. Okay, I got me some alcohol swabs. Gotta take off all my damn makeup, or skincare I can already put on. But I guess it's working. Okay, so here is the hair. This hair originally came like as a 1B. And then I bleached it blonde. I don't know why I was fucking with this hair because I actually really like this hair. This wig is from DSoar Hair. It is the straight blunt cut lace front wig. This is 16 inches. And so once I bleached it blonde, I decided that I didn't want it blonde anymore because I really liked wearing this wig, especially since it's shorter. And it was just a really nice wig. So I dyed it blue-black. So that is that. I should have just dyed it black, but I mean, I dyed the other wig that I had. I did like a little ombre situation over the summer, and then I once again wasn't feeling it because I'm literally like a brown or black wig girl. And so yeah, I dyed that one just regular jet black. So I decided to do a blue black, which you can kind of see. This hair did take to the blonde. I ended up bleaching it twice, I think, and then yeah, so. The knots were once bleached, but I didn't feel like doing it today, so I just couldn't be bothered. So I'm just gonna throw this bitch on real quick and see how it do what it do and go from there. It also does have clips and stuff in it. I've had this wig, this video that I had in my bridal video went up April 3rd, 2019, so almost a year ago. So I've had this wig for almost a year, and it's done me really good. I'll have it linked down below. I'll keep this. I'll add the description that I had in that video. In this video. So I'm just tightening up the straps in the back. And I've never, ever done, I mean, you guys already know, I've never done a lace. Like, I don't know how this is going to turn out. So like, what do I do now? Like, do I do I just what, do I use the spray or do I use the stuff? I guess I just don't know. I'm not a hair person. This is so ridiculous. I guess I can use this stuff, right? It's like this Salon Pro stuff. But how do you do it? Okay. Apply in an upward motion a thin layer of supply, about 30 seconds to remove from the front of the hairline backwards. Let dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Bond should feel tacky to the touch. Fix the lace netting to the bond by pressing. Okay. Supposed to do like this, I guess. Ooh, this is glue. Ooh. Oops. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, I'm doing it! Ah! Look it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. I applied my wig. You bitches can't tell me nothing. Period. Okay. Like, I'm pretty much a hairstylist now. Like, I pretty much can take y'all job. Because I just fucking applied. I just fucking applied the wig. Okay, so I guess now I need to like try to do some baby hairs or whatever because, oh, okay, y'all. So I have the wig on. Oslo's cutting up. So I'm about to style this wig, charge my battery, and then I'm gonna beat this face, and then I'll be back to let y'all know how it like looks with the baby hairs and the swoops and stuff. Because I've never ever done baby hairs. I've never done anything. Like I've never even gotten this far with a wig. So I got my hot comb. Girl, I'm gonna try to spruce this up. I might even do a little whoop flippity flip. Should I do a flippity flip? Would that be cute? Or maybe I should just do some like loose curls, or maybe like a sleek flat iron. I don't know, but I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed hair install. All I did was just flat iron the hair just because the hair was blown out. I washed it and blow dried it because I was going to do this video like a few days ago, and then I decided that I wasn't. Yeah, I just finally got it done. The only thing I would say like that I don't really like is that I feel like it's not like I feel like I have too many baby hairs. I feel like it's not thin enough and it just looks a little thick. But I don't really know what to do to help that. I'm not a hairstylist. Like I just don't know hair. So for me it's just kind of weird. It looks good, but it looks weird at the same time. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know anything about hair. I also did use my hot comb to just smooth down the edge or smooth down the part, and I use a little bit of hairspray to help with flyaways. But other than that, this wig looks really good. I feel like I completed the bald cap method and did a good job with it, especially for my first time. Like I'm an amateur. This is my first time. I have never ever done this, and it could have went completely left, but I think it did really good. So make sure you check down below for this wig. It should still be listed. I'm excited to wear it. I don't know, do I leave this on overnight or do I take it off? Like I don't really know the etiquette when it comes to laying your wig. Like what do you like? Do you just take the wig off and leave the bald cap on? I don't know. As far as that part, I don't really know, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sure it was long and probably boring to some people, but I think this was an interesting video. But anyways, if you want to see the makeup tutorial on this look, it will be either coming soon or I listed at the end of the video. I'm not sure which way I'm going to upload any of these videos. So thank you guys for watching. I love y'all and I'll see you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.